my gosh. It completely snapped me off. Completely snapped me off.
That was the June bug?
Yeah, but I don't know if it was a fish or a turtle, but I mean, that's a pretty clean break on 30-pound braid.
Guys, my dad just got broke. Probably from a snapper or a bass.
Yeah, no telling, but I got broke.
But we don't know what it was. But there's some snappers in this pond. And click the subscribe button. Don't forget, the subscribing tells you where all of our videos are. But we don't have that much videos. We'll probably have just 6 videos right now. But y'all can still click the subscribe button. Honey, it's like, it's going like,
You got him? Oh, good job. Look at that. With all that talking and carrying on, you caught a fish.
Hey guys, look at this. I caught a smallie, but I got him.
All right.
On a June bug. That's what you should buy. We got all these favorite colors. We can get these boys. But these are
Can you
small.
get it?
What?
Can you get it off?
Not counting because it's kind of in the top. Got him. Oh, I ripped his mouth a little bit.
Uh-oh, that's not good.
Look at this beauty.
No, let's get you a release, bud. Good job. All right, get back after. We got like 5 or 6 minutes left.
5 or 6 minutes?
What you waiting on, Mr. Fluke?
Yeah. I'm gonna down in a minute. Like, why? Oh, geez. They're deep. Did you feel good?
I just saw a fish jump right across over there. Look at that. You see it splashing way across the way over there? You just said something about jumping, and they're jumping.
Oh, I see it curling up over there.
Did a frog just jump? Yeah, I heard it. Another one, huh? Oh, I got him. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, that's a chunk. That's a chunk too. Oh yeah. Look at that chunk. He choked the mess out of it.
Bro, I was just...
Yeah, he absolutely choked it. Look at that.
Dad, I'm gonna go get my bag.
You gonna go get your what?
My backpack.
Okay, yeah, go get your backpack so we can get the scale out. I'm gonna say this is probably a maybe pushing 3. It might be right under 3. But it's a good fish. Look at that. It's the best fish I've caught out of this lake. The freaking toad. Unbelievable. Look at that puppy. That mouth on that sucker. Oh yeah. That's nice. Very nice fish.
Oh, we got it.
Let's see. Oh wow.
What?
That's a 3 pound 7 ounce. Oh, he came off.
I caught him.
You caught him.
Oh no, it's a baby.
You caught him again.
Caught him.
We caught him twice.
Oh, look at all the grass off his.
That's a big old monster right there.
Yeah. Oh, that mouth is good.
Big old monster.
Yeah, it's a big old monster.
You wanna hold him? Want to get your release? An official release this time?
Yeah.
Wait, let me get the camera. Don't fall in the water. That guy just swam off casually and off he goes.
I just let him.
That was an awesome bite right there, bud.
Yeah. What did he like go like?
He slammed it. Yeah.
Oh, you already caught him?
I caught him right here on this grass edge right here. I've caught one here before. It wasn't that big, but I was just working him right here across the grass, and he came up and popped it. I almost looked away because I assumed that it wasn't going to get hit. But that's the biggest fish I've gotten out of this pond so far. 3.6.
That's a 3-pounder.
Yeah. Now, hey, go ahead in that area down there where the water runs off. That's where I'm going next. I tell you, this poppin' perch, poppin' pickle, whatever you want to call it, that is the frog of choice. Man. What's that? That's a good sized fish, bud. That's 3.5 pounds basically. Whoa. Wow. Don't worry about it. You keep your rod tip up and I'll keep mine down. So what do you think about that open face and that fluke? Said you working it?
What?
Said you working it? Well, with that fluke, you don't really want to wait on there. You want to be able to just work it weightless, and you don't want to let it fall to the bottom. See how you're getting grass on it?
Yeah, because I was right there.
But don't let it fall to the bottom. You got to keep your line tight and skip it so it walks. Remember how I told you how you look at that fish right there? Right there. Wait, let me see yours.
Dad, if you get this thing.
If I can hook him, I'll give him right back to you.
Is he all the way over there?
Nope, he's right here in front of us, but I cast it a little long to bring it across in front of his face. Well, he's swimming in that direction. There he is. Oh, he gobbled it. Oh, he missed it.
Oh! He almost got it for me. That just left there? Hold on. Well, I'm gonna,
All right. Well, you try it. Keep working it. There's smaller fish right in that little pocket right there.
I'm gonna try my first fish.
Yeah.
Let me try. How big was he?
It probably wasn't very big. Probably was under a pound, but it was still a fish right in that area, and I figured he might be a little hungry and want to munch.
Dad, they want to munch today.
Well, we got some cloud cover out here, and the temperature is going down.
Dark,
Oh, look at that big old boy jump right there. Yeah, throw it over there in this area. Too far to the end. Hey, you don't have your sunglasses on, do you?
No.
You know, sometimes after they blow up, they'll come back to that spot, but a lot of times they move on to other places. So he might have got him a gobbler, something he could eat, and now he's gone.
Ow.
It's not even close to being out. It's still off inside the bait. Oh, he got it. Oh my gosh.
Nope.
Ah, I can't believe I missed that guy. Yeah, go right back in there after him. He's over there.
He's over there? He's just sitting on this grass?
Oh man. He munched me. I'm going right back in there. Come on, buddy. Come after me again.
Come on, buddy. Boo, 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 boo. Oh, I only have one bite today.
That's a good cast right there where he's at.
My line is almost out.
That's good.
It's kind of not that far out.
Well,
Now, was he big?
I don't know.
Did you film him?
No, he munched it, but I guess he must have spit it as soon as I went to set. And I don't really like setting over my left shoulder. It's harder for me to set over my left shoulder than in my right. So.
Do you remember you got surgery from?
Yeah, I got surgery on my left shoulder, so it's a little bit wonky. You got him? Yep. Oh! See, that's what happens when you play around too much, buddy. You had him on the fluke. Get back in there. Wind it up. Get back in there.
Okay, guys, I just got a bite.
You just got a bite on the fluke. Let's see. Hold on. Let me fix him for you.
The first time.
Yeah, but you didn't set that hook because you were too busy playing around with your feet.
That I slapped the
Hey, I know we got bugs. I need to get some bug spray on us, but you had a good bite. And I saw him running, and you didn't set the hook. Because I got good glasses on, I can see in the water. He was running, and you weren't ready because you were looking down at your feet. But the good thing is, we know that they'll bite it. So the fluke is working.
Guys, it's my second bite.
It's your second bite?
Yeah.
Well, let's make it your first landed fish, okay?
Yeah, I need my first landed fish.
Gotta land them. Bites are great, but landed fish are better.
Yeah.
Oh, let it sink a little bit, then work it. All right. Poppin' pickle stopped being effective, so we went over to the black frog. Let's see if we can get a little action on the black and blue. Cloud cover should get us what we want. Let's see if the fish cooperate. Man, you supposed to eat out every time we fish?
Yeah.
No, that's not how it works. Remember, you got a lot of sticks and stuff around here. If you drag that thing in the water, it's gonna get snagged. I got him. I got him. Yes, sir. Ooh. You're stuck? Yep. Another little nice one, probably a 1 pounder. Not bad at all, bud.
I'm gonna come.
You want to get your release? While I try to get your pole released. There you go.
Oh.
It's another nice one.
Kind of small.
Yeah, it's kind of small, but hey, we just want fish to bite, right?
Yeah.
Grab that bag. There you go. So much litter. Throw it up on the bank. Oh, I got that big boy. I got him. Stay on there. Oh, I got a bunch of grass. No way. Oh my gosh, he slammed it. And I thought I had him. I pulled back a bunch of freaking slopping grass. That was huge right there. That was a big boy.
Dad, told you there's a load right here.
Yeah, don't step in front of me though, bud.
I'm just not gonna try to get in your way.
Oh my gosh. That sucks right there. He hit it hard too. All you're doing is making it to where your line is loose and you have to bring it back to the front. Your line should never get that loose. Is that a fish? Wind it. Oh, see, buddy?
I was wrapped up.
You were wrapped up?
Yeah. I'm like...
Well, look, you can't keep letting your line get loose because you don't want to keep your pole in front of you.
I don't like this game.
Well, you're the one that wanted to use this open face reel, bud.
But I kind of like it because...
I mean, that's fine if you like it, but I'm just telling you that you're going to miss fish over and over again every time you do that.
Are you happy for me?
Happy for you what? That you're missing fish? No, because you got to learn. Look, all you got to do is pop right here like that. You don't have to do anything behind you. Pop, pop, wind, pop, pop, wind. You're doing way back here, and you see how when I bring it forward, all that line is loose. I can't do anything with that loose line because the fish is not going to stay on there. So you got to keep just a little quick twitch like that.
I didn't know how I had that fish.
And look at that, I got him. What'd I tell you?
That's my fish.
That's your fish?
Okay.
Look at that. All I had to do was keep popping it and letting him die. And I caught him on your white fluke. So you can do the same exact thing.
Yeah, because it's kind of way down there.
And you just got to slide him out. It's actually got some space in between here and there. Look at that little bitty old guy. But they'll eat that fluke if you do it right.
And then I'm going to go release my fish.
And get your release. And he's gone.
Are you mean, sir? You slapped me all up in the face.
It's right there. Oh, you got too close. Did you catch him? Well, look at that. Just when we thought it was over. Oh, you just think you're a boss now, huh?
Oh, it's my first fish.
Yeah.
I caught him right there.
Yeah. It's a little dark out here. I don't know if the camera's gonna pick you up good.
Oh, dang, Rude. I kept it all the way out there. This boy. Hey guys, so I got my first fish.
All right, that's
here.
too close, too close. Get your picture real quick. A dark picture. There you go. Good job, bud.
First fish for the day, guys.